I was
9 years old. Now are you okay?
yes.
Okay, relax, Hannah. All right, today is our speaking test. Are you
Yes.
ready? Okay. How many people are there in your family, Hannah? How many people? Okay. So now let's start our speaking test. Okay? Speak loudly. Let's start with picture description. Okay? Can you tell me which place is this?
This is a living room.
This.
This is a living room.
Very good. Pronounce the S sound. Now tell me what is this?
This is a window.
This again. This.
This is a window.
This is a window. Very good. Where is the window?
Yes.
Where is the window?
The window between the picture and lamp.
Okay, very good. Now tell me where is the table?
The table in front of the sofa.
Very good. What is this?
This is a chair.
This is a chair. How many traps do you see?
Two.
There are
There are two.
traps. Okay, can you tell me the colors of the traps?
The trap is red and blue.
Very good. Where are they? Where are the traps?
The trap in front of the TV.
Hmm?
The trap between the TV and table.
Okay, and what is this?
This is a baby.
This?
This is a baby.
Very good. This, not the. Okay? What is this?
This is
The again. What is this?
This is
Yes. So don't forget, okay? So this is a TV. Where is the TV?
the TV next to the bookshelf.
Next.
Next to
Good.
next to the bookshelf.
Alright. And where is the chair?
The chair in front of the door.
Good. Look at the boy. What is he wearing? Is
The boy is Jesus and
wearing
wearing the Jesus and jeans.
jeans. And what about the girl? What is she wearing?
She wearing
Jeans.
she is wearing the Jesus and skirt.
T-shirt and skirt. Very good. And can you tell me what is this?
This is a rock.
This again. What is this?
This is a rock.
The rug. Where is the rug?
The rock on the floor.
Floor. Okay. Now let's move on to the bigger picture here. And this is just the same with this, but it's more bigger. Okay, bigger. And I'm gonna pick some. Can you pick one? Choose one, please. Okay. What is that?
This is a blue.
D again.
This is
Oh, D again. No.
this is a blue.
Very good. Put it here. Another one, please. What is that?
This is a rubber.
Rubber or eraser? Very good. Next one, please. What is that?
These are grapes.
Good. Grapes, not grapes. Grapes. Last one. What is that? These are
glasses.
glasses. Good. Now we have only 4. So put the glasses on the table. Next, grapes under the chair. Balloon next to television or TV. Next to TV. Next, eraser. Eraser is under the baby. Okay, now go. Balloon is
next to the TV.
next.
Next to the TV.
The TV is
The TV is the TV between the balloon and bookshelf.
bookshelf.
The bookshelf. The glasses on the table. The
Grapes.
wreath under the chair. The rubber under the baby.
Okay, very good. That's the end of our speaking test. Hannah, say goodbye to teacher now.
Goodbye, teacher.